In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export with crop marks in Canva. We'll walk through the whole process from inside the Canva editor, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare a design properly for professional printing with crop marks and bleed. First, open your Canva design in the editor. Make sure you're on the design you actually want to export and wait for it to fully load. Once you're in the editor, move your attention to the top bar. On the left side of that bar, you'll see the File option. Click on File, and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, hover over the Settings option. Another small menu will appear next to it. From there, click on Show Print Bleed. When you turn on Show Print Bleed, Canva adds a dashed border around the edges of your design. This dashed line represents the bleed area. Bleed is the extra space that gets trimmed off during printing, and it's important because it prevents unwanted white edges after cutting. At this point, take a moment to check your design carefully. Make sure that any background colors, images, or elements that are meant to go all the way to the edge extend past the dashed bleed line, not just up to it. This might mean slightly enlarging a background image or stretching a colored shape so it covers the full area beyond those dashed lines. Text and important logos, though, should stay inside the safe area, away from the very edge, so they don't risk being cut off. Once your bleed looks good, you're ready to export. Now move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. A menu will open. From that menu, select Download. When you click Download, Canva will reload the options in that panel. You should now see a drop-down labeled File Type. Click on that drop-down and you'll see a list of formats. Choose PDF Print. This is the best option for high-quality printing. After selecting PDF Print, look for an option called Crop Marks and Bleed. There will be a checkbox next to it. Make sure this box is checked. This tells Canva to include both the bleed you just set up and the crop marks that show your printer exactly where to trim the paper. Once everything is set correctly, go ahead and click Download. Canva will generate your PDF file with crop marks and bleed. When it finishes, your file is ready to send to a professional printer or upload to a print service, with everything set up for clean, accurate trimming.